So I'm going to use, I'm going to create a knowledge base for question answering. I'm going to use the Language Studio to create a question answering project. So in this case, you will create a knowledge base containing question and answer from Microsoft Learn. Yeah, that's a good idea. Huh? What do you think about it? So let's go in our language cognitive Azure services. So I'm going to go here and sign in using the Microsoft account associated with your subscription. Okay, so I must do sign in here, and that's it. And I will send a notification to my telephone here. So this is to my phone. Okay, and I approve it. So if you are prompted to choose a language resources, okay, let's say yes. You need to select the category, subscription, resource type, okay, and the language, for example. So when you're here, you must select your Azure directory. It will be, where's this one? Oh, it's the Azure directory is my, I think my default directory. You see that? And after my subscription, it's this one, and the resource type language, and here is the resource name, and I don't have any resource name. The AI language resource that you created before. Okay, so maybe I need to switch. Okay, let me go here, and let's go here, and on the setting here, I can see view resource. Oh, must be this one normally. Okay, so okay, and that's it. Okay, I think so. This is, and after I have my the resource. So normally it's a good one here. Default directory, it's this one. I think so. Yeah, that's it. That's it. And yeah, I'm okay. Language Studio. Okay, no resource selected. Okay, it's language and okay, doesn't matter. Uh, hmm Okay. I need to. So okay, I will go in language services first. So let's go here and let's go here in my let's go here Azure Area Services, and I will go in my language services, and I will create language here. Okay, that's it. So I need to go in language services, and here I need to select question answering. Okay, so this is my custom question answering. This is not here. I did it before, so I'm going to do select, and continue to create your resource. So here I have my subscription. This is my resource group. It's this one. It didn't change. The region will be this one. The name, I will say, okay, I will say, for example, language API. And the pricing chair will be this one, of course. And the Azure search region is US. And here I will say free, this one, okay. And responsible I notice, of course, I say yes, 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 of course. And let's do a review and create. And so remember that custom question answering use Azure Search to index and query the knowledge base of question and answer. Okay, so you must know that he will use um, Azure Search. We'll see that after. So after, I'm gonna view the key and endpoint, and I'm gonna create the question answering project. Okay, so I'm just gonna wait, and when it's finished, I'm gonna resume the recording. Like I told you, you can see here that he's using search services. Remember that this is used to index and query the knowledge base. This is the search services. Fantastic. And after that, when the deployment will be okay, I will view my key and endpoint. Okay, and I will write it here. Okay, so I'm going to go here and I'm going to say this is my um, so language, and I will go in my so okay, so go to resource group. And here I have my language. So search services, I have here my multi-tenant, my all is here, okay? And here I have my language here. So if you go here in language, you will see your key and endpoint. Let's show the key. Okay, so this is the key, and I have my endpoint here, and it is US the country, okay? So here, and see, this is the endpoint, and the country is US. Okay, same thing that my multi-services here. Okay, okay, that's good. This is the lab. Mm. Okay, I'm gonna go back here and I will do it again. So I will do I will close that. Let's just do okay, and I'm gonna go here and do select resources. So this is the abandonment and the language type here, and here I have my, this is it, okay? So that's good. Now I have everything here and I can do done, and that's better. Okay, so here I have my API, okay? I don't have any project. So now in the top of the portal, I'm going to do here, create new, and I will say I want to do what. Of course, it's a question, custom question answering. I have classification, name, attractive language understanding, okay, natural language in two apps, both an IoT device. This is for Louis project, and I'm going to click on my custom query answering. So in the create project wizard on the choose language setting, I'm going to select the option set the language for all project in this resource. Okay, so and I will say that all is in English. So you must choose language setting, okay? So permanent say whether you can create project, okay? I want to select the language when I create a project, or I want to set. So it will be here for all the language, and I will do next now. And now I will enter basic information. So the name will be Learn FAQ, and it will be for Microsoft Learn. Thank you, Microsoft Learn. I love it. And default answer when no answer is returned. Okay, so it will be let's say if I don't have any answer, sorry, I really I really uh, don't under understand understand I really don't understand your question. And I will do here the next, and I will do a create project. So now I'm going to add some source to the knowledge database. Okay. So for that, I need to go in the manage source here. Okay. So remember that you create knowledge base from scratch, but it's common to start by importing question and answer. In this case, you will import data from existing Microsoft FAQ, Microsoft Learn, and you'll also import some predefined chit chat question like hello, how are you, good, So I'm going to go and add source here. I can use URL, files, and chit chat. So I will use first my URL. And so here you're going to do add URL, and I will give you a name. So the name is going to be learn FAQ page. Okay, and the URL will be the Microsoft Learn about FAQ. So I will have some FAQ. Okay, so if you see what's inside, if you go here, you can see the FAQ. So I have all the support. Okay, for the question. Okay, about frequently asked question. Okay, what much does the training cost? Blah blah blah. Okay, so I'm gonna go here. Okay, and so I just added this, and so that's good. And after I select add all here, okay, add all, and that's it. So in the manage source here, I will add also some chit chat. So he's adding this FAQ, remember, and I'm going to use some chit chat. Okay, it's just friendly. Friendly can be hello, how are you? I'm okay today, and you can do professional. So this is a way that you can add chit chat. This is very nice. So I will go here, add source, and I will do. Sorry, got it. And I'll do add source and skip all. Sorry. And I will go here and add chit chat. And I can see, this is just like a list of questions that he created. Okay, it's like, hello, how are you? Or how are you today? Okay, and you have it in this language. So I'm going to say it's friendly, it can be caring, enthusiastic. Okay, so I will use here the friendly, and I will add chit chat. Okay, and now I will. So what I will do now is that I will edit the knowledge base. So your knowledge base has been populated with question and answer from FAQ, okay, and chit chat question. You can extend the knowledge base by adding question and answer pair, okay. So in your learning FAQ project, okay, so in your project, learning FAQ project, here you have manage source, edit knowledge base, deploy knowledge base, review question, and project setting. This is where you can use it in your application, okay. So I'm going to go here and say I want to change some questions. So I'm going to edit knowledge base to see the existing question and answer pair. If some tips are displayed, read them and do got it, okay, or skip all, okay. So if I do that, got it, just to skip all. So in the knowledge base, okay, you see that you have a question answer 149. Okay, so are you a woman who is older? Okay, so you have a lot of them here. So so here in the you have synonym here. I don't have any, and so skip it all. Remember, you can import it in JSON, for example. So in the question and answer, I'm going to go here plus and create a new question answer pair with the following setting. Okay, so so I will go here and do plus. The source will be our FAQ here, and the question is, what are Microsoft credentials? Okay, this is an example. Okay, so I'm going to type what are Microsoft credential, and the answer I will just insert it with the answer that you have from your Microsoft Learn book here, and I will do done. Okay, so skip. So in the page for the what are Microsoft credential, you can expand alternate question. Okay, so Microsoft credential here, you can go and expand alternate question. Okay, so here when you go on alternate question, here you can add here. Okay, and you can add an alternate question if you want. That's very nice. Okay, so for example, another question is I don't know, is how can I demonstrate my Microsoft technical skills, for example. Okay, so okay, and that's it. Okay, this is another example. Okay, So how can I demonstrate my Microsoft skills? So in some case, it makes sense to enable the user to follow up an answer by creating a multi-turn conversation to iteratively refine the question to get the answer they need. So under the answer, you enter it under certification question. Okay, I can go here and go in follow up. Okay, so follow up prompts here. So I can expand follow up prompts, and you can use follow up prompts to connect question answer for multi-thread conversation. This connection allows the client application to provide a top answer and provide more question. Okay, from the user to select if needed. Okay, so I can, I can, for example, here, and I can add a follow-up prompt. So the text display in the prompt to the user will be um, learn more about credential. Okay, here. So, okay, learn more. So this is the follow-up. Learn more about credential, and after we have the select, we can select, we can create link to new pair. Okay, so create link to new pair, and here I can type the text here. Okay, create link to new pair. Okay, it's going to be a new link, so it will be conversation, and what I can do is that this is amazing. Is that here you see. You can learn more about on the Microsoft Credential page, and here this is the credential here. And I will show it in context flow only. So show only in context flow. A context only prompt cannot be queried directly. The user will only see it after the answer to the parent question. Okay, so that's it. So I'm going to add the prompt. Okay, and now I need to train and test the knowledge base. And for your information here, we have all the questions. So what is the best television show? All okay. What is life about? Okay, so I have all these questions. I have. Can you explain me to me? I'm afraid not. That's true. Okay, so I have this did here for example, and I can see all the information here, all the base here. Okay, so all these are always our knowledge base. Okay. So can my employee or school access information about my training? Okay, history. So no, unless you've given them access here. So you have the response here. What are the Microsoft Learn Box? The Microsoft Learn Box. So I can, I can add, for example, alternate question or all this. So it's possible to do all that. Okay, so you can alternate question, follow up. Okay, so now I'm going to train and test the knowledge base. So I'm going to save my, I'm going to go on my knowledge base by selecting save button under the question answer pair. Okay, so here you have this save here. Okay, you do save. And after the change has been saved, select the test button to open the test database. Okay, so it's important to do a test. Okay, so we'll have to do a test here. Why? Because it's important to do all the time a test. So I'll go here and I'm going to go on the test here. And in the test pane at the top, deselect include short answer question. Okay, so here include short answer question. Okay. Then at the bottom, enter the message hello, for example. Okay, so I can go here and I say hello. And let's see if it's working. Hi, that's good. Let's say what is Microsoft Learn? Sandbox and free environment that you can use to explore. Okay, this is very nice. Okay, and in the message, I'm going to say thanks, and he will show me some chit chat. Okay, thanks. Okay, how are you? For example, this is some example. How are you? I love you. What is the date? Okay, normally I don't have any. Okay, great, fine. The only thing that I'm committed. Okay, what is the date? Okay, doesn't matter. Okay, and see now if I do now tell me more about Microsoft Credential, we will have the follow-up. Okay, so this is, I love this one. So tell me about Microsoft Credential, and you will see that you have a follow-up question. Okay, so and here is the learn more. See, So this is, for example, learn more, and then it will link it to the certification page. Okay. Okay, let's close it. And now I'm going to deploy the knowledge base. So let's do that in a second video. Okay. See you. Ciao, ciao.